Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me, Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase pricing and availability questions concerning this watch. And this watch is the IWC Big Pilot's Watch 43 Mr. Porter Edition 1 in a combination of bronze and titanium. This is a 43mm Big Pilot's Watch launched as a 500-piece limited edition in 2022. So it's 43mm in diameter by 14.5mm thick from lug-to-lug. 52.8 millimeters is the total distance across the wrist, with a 21 millimeter spacing in between the lugs. We'll throw it on my wrist, which is 16 centimeters in circumference. And you can see it's a big pilot's watch, which is to say it is large. And this is actually the look. I can't pull off the 46.2 millimeter standard Big Pilot, but this, as an oversized watch that's not cartoonishly oversized, is the style. So if your wrist is my size or larger, yeah, this is actually going to fit just fine on a 16 centimeter wrist. Now the watch isn't as thick as you might think, and with a little bit of a step and a slope to the bezel, it will slide surprisingly well under a shirt sleeve, but definitely underneath a jacket cuff. Taking a look at the strap, this is one of the highlights of the edition, an alcantara strap, a wonderful material that is often used on the touch points of super high performance cars, or sometimes as seat inserts or headliner on ultra luxury cars. Think Rolls-Royce, Bentley, Bugatti, that sort of thing. It's the synthetic suede that costs more than real leather. We have these little rivet style skeuomorphic elements on the strap. They're designed to represent a rivet fixture. And then on the back, we have this wonderful quick release system that builds the quick release mechanism into the strap itself. So you're still free to use any conventional 21 millimeter strap here while still having the quick release convenience. You're not locked into some sort of proprietary thing. Any standard 21 millimeter strap will do. And then it snaps right back on like a car seat belt. And then we go to the buckle, which is a combination of bronze and titanium, just like the watch. Inside media blasted, IWC branded. Externally, you can see also media blasted. Snaps with a resounding snap, which is to say it snaps. And then if you look in profile, you can see we have these shear cut edges, and these are lacquered for refinement, the same as they would be on any shear cut leather strap. Taking a close look now at the flank of the case, you can see that it's all media blasted. There's no brushing here. There's no directional grain. We've got a little bit of a soft bevel on the edges of the lugs. That's a feature endemic to these big pilot's watches, that soft bevel. We've got a large onion-style crown that says Probus Schaffhausen, the IWC motto, a good solid watch made in Schaffhausen. And this is another feature that's often missed when people talk about these watches. Monoblock cases. You can see the bezel and the case are all one piece. There's no actual seam between the bezel and the case. For a very clean, all-of-a-piece monoblock look. A little bit of a box profile and then camber to the sapphire over a no-date dial that is very, very simple. Matte finish with instrument style aesthetic, much like the flight deck of a analog 20th century aircraft, or the beige of 1940, the predecessor watch that informs the look of all modern big pilot's watches. We'll do a loom shot now. And you can see that we've got the four corners, and it is edition 1 up there, numeral 1, to remind you that this is the Mr. Porter edition 1. In terms of functional features, there's really only one setting mode, and that includes a hacking seconds function. The adjustment is actually quite gratifying. There's very little dead angle in the crown. Almost as soon as you start to move it, the hands start to travel, and that's always a feature that I treasure on a movement. There's also very little wobble to the crown when fully extended, which is another feature that is lacking on a lot of watches. The strength of the stem tube assembly and the solidity of this particular feature, a fully extended crown on a watch, that always speaks to how well the tactile and physical qualities of the watch were judged by its creators, with a view to instilling confidence and pride in the ultimate customer. Taking a look on the back, individual numbering, media blasted case back, 100 meters water resistant screw down crown. Inside, braced against magnetism, we have a Caliber 82100 that's built by IWC, adjusted in 5 positions. It's got a bidirectional pawl-based winding system, a 60-hour power reserve, a 4 hertz beat rate, pivots on 22 joules. It does have the stop seconds function, and again, the 5-position adjustment, which is what you see on high-end watches as well as certified chronometers. So there is a lot to love here. Still a big pilot's watch, just not the biggest pilot's watch. This would be one for my wrist and possibly yours. So reach out to Team Mosso at the 1916company.com for purchase and pricing details.